Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Kia Sportage lights. First, locate the light control stalk, typically found on the left side of your steering column. This stalk is your primary control for all exterior lighting. You'll see various settings like auto, parking lights, and headlights. To manually turn off your lights, simply rotate the stalk to the off position. This ensures no exterior lights are active when the vehicle is parked. Many Kia Sportage models feature an automatic light setting that turns your headlights on and off based on the surrounding light. While convenient, you might want to override this. To disable the auto mode, rotate the light stalk from auto to either the off position or the parking lights setting. Always check your dashboard to confirm that the automatic headlight indicator light is no longer illuminated, ensuring you have full manual control. Beyond your main headlights, your Kia Sportage also has interior and fog lights that need separate attention. Interior dome lights usually have a dedicated switch located near the rearview mirror or on the overhead console. Simply press it to turn them off. For fog lights, look for a separate button on your dashboard or a twist function on the light stalk itself. Make sure these auxiliary lights are also disengaged to completely turn off all vehicle lighting. If you've followed these steps and your lights remain on, there might be a minor issue. First, check if any doors or the trunk are ajar, as this can sometimes keep interior lights active. A faulty light switch or a relay could also be the culprit. For specific troubleshooting unique to your model, always refer to your Kia Sportage owner's manual. If your lights still won't turn off, it might indicate a deeper electrical issue, so consulting a professional is wise. Also, remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.